are using the Autolab to control an electronically controlled variable displacement air conditioning compressor. We've already connected the Autolab to the battery, and we have connected the lead to the valve supply on the compressor, and also we've offset the load of the compressor for the computer using a coil emulator. Everything is now connected and we're ready to run a test. So, on the Autolab, we select the compressor test, and the display is showing that at the moment there's no load demand. 0% load demand, and the pulse width modulation is showing no demand. And then we have the pressures as you would expect when there is no compression. Now then, we can vary the demand load. So we go up here to about 50% demand load. This is the signal that is being fed into the compressor. So the pulse width is 50% of the time. The load is 51% here. The pressures have changed. As we increase the load demand, the pulses get wider until we're at 100%. So now the compressor is working at full capacity. The pressures are changing to reflect that, and so Autolab is in full control of the electronic valve, and we can then reduce the demand factor, and as we do so, the pressures change accordingly. And that's the end of the test for today.